What is the Golo diet? A sample meal plan to lose weight. The Golo diet was one of the most searched weight loss diet plans in 2016. Its popularity has blown up since then. A team of doctors, pharmacists, scientists, and formulators spent over 9 years formulating the Golo supplement. According to the scientists who developed Golo, the 30, 60, and 90 days Golo programs that are available to purchase can aid 10 to 60 pounds of weight loss over a period of time. They are claimed to slim down your waistline, control your blood sugar level, and prevent heart diseases. Before you invest in the Golo diet, let's see through a review of the Golo diet for weight loss. What is the Golo diet? The Golo diet basically focuses on reducing insulin resistance to lose weight. According to Golo's official website, this specific supplement helps revamp your metabolism to reduce insulin resistance and aid weight loss. A study conducted at the University of Cape Town, South Africa, has found that insulin sensitivity is one of the key factors in successful, long-term weight loss. Unlike conventional dieting, the Golo diet allows you to eat more and claims to regulate your glucose levels and improve your metabolism. There is no counting of calories, just eating healthily, exercising regularly, and taking the Golo release dietary supplement to lose weight. How does it work? The Golo supplement is a blend of 7 plant extracts and 3 minerals that help in losing weight. The main principle of the Golo diet does not rely on reducing calories but focusing on eating a healthy diet. That covers all the food groups and revamps your hormonal action to boost metabolism. The Golo supplement contains magnesium, zinc, and chromium, the major minerals associated with insulin sensitivity. The official Golo website also states that this dietary supplement helps reduce sugar cravings and balances the hormones to control hunger and satiety and increase energy and stamina. Can the Golo diet help you lose weight? The Golo diet mainly encourages you to focus on healthy eating habits with exercising regularly. These two practices have been proven repeatedly to aid weight loss. There are few studies published on the Golo website that prove that supplementing with Golo release helps reduce weight over a period of time with an exercise regime. These studies are not published in peer-reviewed journals and may prove to be biased. The results are also not conclusive that simply consuming the Golo release supplement aids weight loss. It can be a combined effect of a balanced diet, a healthy lifestyle, and regular exercise. So, the Golo diet may help people shed pounds, but scientific research is still required to support these claims. If you want to reduce some pounds by following the Golo diet program, check out the sample meal plan. The Golo diet plan, 1-week sample meal plan. Day 1, Monday. What to eat? Breakfast. Egg white omelette with stuffed mushroom and sautéed broccoli plus apple slices. Lunch. Grilled chicken with herbs seasoning plus 1 bowl of raw green salad with olive oil dressing plus 1/2 cup of quinoa. Dinner. Salmon with sautéed baby carrots, French beans, cherry tomatoes, and asparagus. Day 2, Tuesday. What to eat? Breakfast. Scrambled egg with sautéed spinach plus 1 bowl of fruit plus roasted almonds, walnuts, pistachios. Lunch. Turkey breast with cranberry brown rice plus blanched, seasoned kale plus Golo release supplement, 1 capsule. Dinner. Tuna lettuce wrap plus mushroom soup. Day 3, Wednesday. What to eat? Breakfast. 1 hard-boiled egg plus toasted whole wheat multigrain bread, 2 slices, plus freshly prepared fruit juice with pulp plus roasted nuts and seeds mixture, 1 tablespoon. Lunch. Parmesan-topped broiled flounder plus 1/2 cup of parsley seasoned buckwheat plus 1 bowl of fresh raw salad. Dinner. 2 cottage cheese stuffed roasted bell peppers plus cream of tomato soup with 3 roasted almonds. Day 4, Thursday. What to eat? Breakfast. Overnight soaked oatmeal with soaked chia seeds, roasted nuts, and seeds mixture plus 1 bowl of strawberries plus 1 hard-boiled egg. Lunch. Whole wheat pasta with pumpkin seeds and spinach pesto plus 1 herbs seasoned grilled chicken steak plus Golo release supplement, 1 capsule. Dinner. Atlantic salmon steak plus lemon butter asparagus with baby carrots, French beans, and broccoli florets. Day 5, Friday. What to eat? Breakfast. Mushroom hash with a poached egg plus 2 tablespoons of roasted nuts and seeds mixture plus green apple slices with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Lunch. Pan-seared salmon with kale and apple salad plus 2 slices of garlic bread plus blueberry yogurt. Dinner. Pork chops with blanched and butter sautéed spinach plus 4 roasted almonds. Day 6, Saturday. What to eat? Breakfast. Curried broccoli and hard-boiled egg on toast plus freshly prepared mixed fruit juice with 1 tablespoon soaked chia seeds. Lunch. Ground turkey with brown rice, cherry tomatoes, and 4 roasted almonds plus Golo release supplement, 1 capsule. Dinner. Lentil vegetable soup plus 2 garlic cheese breadsticks. Day 7, Sunday. What to eat? Breakfast. Poached eggs with broccoli, tomatoes, and wholemeal flatbread, 2 slices, plus 1 bowl of fresh fruits. Lunch. 2 pork tacos plus fresh leafy vegetable salad with coconut oil, olive oil dressing and crushed nuts. Dinner. Pan-fried salmon with sprouts and vegetables sautéed in olive oil. Now that you have a fair idea of the Golo diet meal plan, let's check out some dishes you can add to it. The Golo diet recipes. 1. Turkey breast with cranberry brown rice. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons cranberry juice. 2 tablespoons celery, chopped. 2 tablespoons red onion, minced. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon orange zest, grated. Garlic powder, salt, and pepper as per taste. 1 boneless, skinless turkey breast. 1/4 cup orange juice. 1 cup long grain brown rice. 2/3 cup dried cranberries. 2/3 cup roasted almonds, sliced. How to prepare? Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix all the fresh ingredients except the turkey breast and rice. Rub salt and pepper onto the turkey breast and place it in a greased pan. Spread the mixture of fresh ingredients on the turkey breast. Roast the turkey breast until the thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This should take 45 to 55 minutes. Drizzle the orange juice into the pan halfway through the roasting time. In a saucepan, mix the rice and dried cranberries and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat, cover the saucepan with a lid, and let it simmer for 40 to 45 minutes until the rice is tender and all the liquid is absorbed. Stir in the remaining ingredients. Remove the turkey breast from the oven. Let it cool for 10 minutes before slicing it. Serve with rice. 2. Tuna lettuce wrap. Ingredients. 1 can of tuna. 1 medium green bell pepper. 1/2 medium-sized tomato. 1/4 cup green onion, chopped. 1 tablespoon cilantro, chopped. Herbs seasoning. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 head romaine lettuce. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. How to prepare? Chop all the vegetables into cubes. Mix the tuna, mayonnaise, mustard, herb seasoning, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Add the bell pepper, onion, and cilantro and mix well. You can squeeze a bit of lemon juice to enhance the flavor. Rinse the lettuce and pull out 5 to 6 leaves. Fill the leaves with the stuffing, wrap it, and eat it. See next for a helpful guide on what you can and cannot eat on the Golo diet. What to eat? If you still want to reduce some pounds by following the Golo diet, here are a few lists of food items that you can take or avoid. Cereals. Brown rice, buckwheat, quinoa, steel-cut oats, whole grain pasta, bulgur wheat, and barley. Proteins. Lean cuts of beef, pork, chicken, and fish. Vegetables. Any fresh seasonal vegetables. Fruits. Any fresh seasonal fruits. Dairy products. Cheese, milk, cottage cheese, yogurt, butter, and ice cream. Foods to avoid. Processed foods. Chips, crackers, baked goods, and confectionery. Red meat. Fatty cuts of beef, pork, and lamb. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Soda, sweetened drinks, sports drinks, vitamin water, and processed fruit juices. Benefits of the GOLO diet. Pros: increasing exercise, eliminating processed foods, and eating healthy whole foods is the main principle of following the GOLO diet. Eating balanced meals and practicing healthy habits is key to the GOLO diet. This diet focuses on eating foods from all the basic food groups. It encourages eating lots of green and colorful vegetables, healthy fats, and lean protein that is not only loaded with vitamins and minerals but also improves satiety, i.e., make you feel fuller for longer. The GOLO diet focuses on eating 1 to 2 servings of whole grains in controlled portions to curb your hunger. The downside of the GOLO diet. Cons: there is no scientific evidence that the GOLO dietary supplement itself aids weight loss directly. Unbiased research is still lacking. Though a few studies have shown some positive results, they are not conclusive. It is quite expensive to follow. Conclusion: the GOLO diet mainly focuses on managing your hormonal levels to increase insulin sensitivity by taking supplements along with a balanced diet and exercise. Though it can be a bit expensive to follow, you can give it a try if you want fast results. However, consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before you start this diet. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.